At that time, people believed that constant headaches were a sign of being possessed by evil spirits. They thought, the evil spirit must be in the head. How do we get rid of it? Let's drive it out. So, physicians would shave the head and open the skull. From today's medical perspective, we might think they were trying to relieve intracranial pressure, but that wasn't the case. It was simply a belief that opening the head would allow the evil spirits to escape. If the patient died during the procedure, they thought the spirit was too strong, and if the patient survived, they believed the spirit had been expelled. In some cases, such as with brain tumors, where intracranial pressure causes headaches, opening the skull might have incidentally relieved the pain. This accidental success made it hard for people to stop performing trepanation. As time went on, other physicians became obsessed with blood. They believed that removing blood from the head would cure headaches. If someone had a headache, they would cut open the temples to drain blood or use a hot iron to cauterize the scalp. When these methods failed, the physicians searched for new ways to extract blood. They eventually developed a method to access the brain through the nose, allowing them to drain blood without opening the skull. During this period, a certain physician appeared. "Stop all of this," he declared. This physician was Erasmus Darwin, the grandfather of Charles Darwin, who opposed such barbaric practices. Blood might indeed be the issue, but we need to extract it intelligently without killing the patient, he argued. He invented a method using centrifugal force to drain the blood. He developed a device that rapidly rotated the patient's legs, causing the blood to be drawn away from the head. For throbbing headaches where the patient could feel a pulsing in their head, this seemed to confirm that blood was the cause of the pain. People of that era were full of experimental spirit, which led them to a new method: electricity. They would seat a patient in a chair and bring in an electric eel to administer shocks. Interestingly, electricity is still used in some modern treatments for depression, which can also be a cause of headaches. Some patients felt that their headaches improved after these electric treatments. Patients sometimes fainted and occasionally died. Excited doctors created electric baths and administered them to patients. This treatment, which was indistinguishable from torture to many, disappeared in the 20th century. With the development of pain relievers made from willow bark, people were able to manage headaches with a small pill. Modern people no longer need to have their heads cut open or sit in an electric chair. Living in this era is indeed a great privilege.